Figma just got gutted, overnight, by a chatbot. Anthropic dropped Claude Design this month, and the ripple through the design world is brutal. Designers who charged $4,000 for a landing page are watching interns spin up the same thing in 90 seconds. And it actually looks good. Not AI good. Good. I'm going to show you exactly what Claude Design is, why Anthropic built it, and the 3 use cases already eating agency retainers alive. Stick around, because later I'll show you the one prompt trick that makes Claude output production-ready Tailwind code on the first try. Most people are still fumbling with screenshots. So what is it? Claude Design is a new surface inside Claude that turns plain text into full visual interfaces. Websites, apps, dashboards, slide decks, brand kits. You type what you want, and Claude builds it live in the canvas next to your chat. You can drag, resize, restyle, and ship. Think Canva, Figma, and Cursor had a baby, and the baby skipped kindergarten. Under the hood, it's running Claude Sonnet 4.5 tuned on design systems, component libraries, and real front-end code. That tuning is the whole game. Other tools hallucinate layouts. Claude outputs clean structure, real grids, real spacing tokens, real accessibility. Now the bigger question. Why did Anthropic build this? Because ChatGPT was eating their lunch on creative tasks. OpenAI shipped image gen, Sora, then Canvas. Anthropic had the smartest model for coding, but normies kept saying Claude felt boring. No pictures, no vibes. Design was the missing bridge. There's a second reason nobody's talking about: enterprise contracts. Fortune 500 teams were begging Anthropic for a way to let non-designers ship on-brand assets. Marketing wanted pages without tickets. Sales wanted decks without waiting. Claude Design is that unlock. And here's the kicker I promised. Anthropic is not charging extra. It's baked into the Pro and Max plans you already pay for. That pricing move is aimed straight at Figma's jugular. Okay, how does it actually work? You open Claude. You pick design mode. You describe what you need. Landing page for a dog food brand. Bold, retro, 2 product tiers, testimonials. Claude writes the structure, picks the palette, generates the copy, and renders it live. 30 seconds. Don't like it? You say, make it softer, pastel, more white space. It rebuilds, instantly. Want to export? One click gives you React, Vue, HTML, or a Figma file. Yes, a real Figma file. Anthropic partnered with Figma on the import format last month. That partnership was the shot heard across design Twitter. You can also feed it your brand. Drop a logo, screenshots, and a style guide PDF. Claude extracts your tokens and locks every output to your system. Brand consistency used to be the agency moat. Now it's a sidebar upload. Here's the prompt trick I teased. When you ask for a design, end your prompt with output as Shadcn components with Tailwind, mobile first, with ARIA labels. Claude stops treating it like art and starts treating it like engineering. The code is shippable. I've tested it on 11 projects this month. Let's talk use cases. 3 are already dominating. First, solo founders building MVPs. People with 0 design skill are launching real SaaS products in a weekend. Pricing page, auth screens, dashboard, doc site. All generated, all consistent, all deployed to Vercel before lunch. Second, marketing teams at mid-size companies. They're killing the ticket system. Writers produce their own pages and emails. Designers got pushed up to brand strategy and motion. The boring production layer is gone. Third, educators and coaches. They're building course platforms, lead magnets, and sales funnels alone. A fitness coach I know replaced her $4,000 agency with a $20 Claude plan. Her conversions went up. Now the honest part, what it can't do yet. Complex motion design, forget it. Pixel-perfect illustration, no. Anything needing deep brand soul, a human taste layer, still wins. The top 1% of designers are safe. The middle is cooked. Also, Claude stumbles on dense dashboards with 20 widgets. It simplifies when it shouldn't. Anthropic says the next update ships in 6 weeks and targets this. So, where does this leave you? If you're a designer, stop selling pages. Start selling systems, strategy, and taste. If you're a founder, you have no excuse left. Ship the site tonight. If you're a marketer, learn this tool this week or your replacement will. The wild part is how fast this moved. 6 months ago, Claude couldn't draw a box. Today, it's rebuilding the design industry live. By end of 2026, I'll have the designer send it over. Will sound as old as I'll fax it. Thank you.